Now that we've written our hand value routine, let's test it in our main program. So when we were here, let's just, I'm going to leave these be for the time being. I'll tidy them up later. When we're dealt cards, the player's got his hand and the dealer's got their hand, and we've got the cards left over. What I'm going to do now is work out the value of the player's hand and work out the value of the dealer's hand, and that is a simple call to my new routine here, which is called hand value. It's in the BJ library, the blackjack lib. Okay, so I need to start it off with the BJ. So the player value equals the BJ, the blackjack library, and hand value, make sure we get the correct case, hand value of the player. So that will return the hand value of the player. And I could do the same with the dealer. The dealer value is equal to the library routine called hand value of the dealer. And if I just print those two out, print player value, and let's just put a comma in so we can keep it all on one line. And the dealer value, we just want to check that the actual routine is working and calculating the value of the cards. So I need to save these things first, so let's save that library, let's save that library, and let's save that program. And then when I run it, let's just put a message here so we can see it. Values. And don't forget, as we're sort of joining strings and integers together, we actually need to separate them with commas. I've lost my cursor, there we go. So save that library and then run the program. Whoops. Oh, of course. It would be a lot better if I took out my examples. Save that again and then run. Please make as many mistakes as you can. It always helps. I've made another mistake there. Okay, for index, silly me. We don't need equals, too much talking, not enough concentration. And there we go. So the values are 13 and 14. So that's the player value, that's the dealer value. If we take a look at the cards that they were dealt, so the player was dealt the 7 and the 6. Add those together, they come to 13. And the dealer was dealt the 4 and the queen, that's 14. Okay, let's try that one again. 14 and 20, so 5 and 9 is 14, and the jack and the 10, that gives me 20. So the hand value is working out quite nicely.